Hi, my name is Caitlyn.
I'm Hayson Ling,
And I took part in the
FOBISIA Student Leadership Conference.
The competition was split into 3 parts. The first part was to create either a business plan for Canuck or a product to help them hunt for food. The second section was called Small Change, Big Impact, and we had to film ourselves doing small tasks like turning off the lights or turning off water taps to help make the environment a better place. The third section was to create a social media trend to help promote Canuck.
I've won all 3 categories, which were the business innovation, the small change, big impact, and the viral trend idea.
My role was a researcher, and I basically had to research what the data and statistics we needed to create the business plan and also find out potential problems that could occur in the future and come up with solutions to those problems as well.
Well, I paired up with another student from another school, and we were mainly in charge of the finance aspect. However, we were not just restricted to our roles because anyone can just voice out their opinions during discussions.
I think the people who played the most significant role was the team members themselves.
I believe it was a team effort. Everyone actively participated in discussions,
working together to create the final solution to the problem.
They always focus on cultivating leadership and the importance of having a growth mindset.
And they gave us a lot of support and advice about how we could improve our solution, and they motivated us to keep trying our best. One of my strengths is to research, so I volunteered to be part of the research group for the competition, and which allowed me to use my skills to help the team succeed.
Well, I would voice out my opinions, even though if they seem far-fetched. Who knows, maybe the most unconventional idea works better.
My friends provided me with the most support because even though we were working against each other and competing against each other, they still gave me advice and supported my ideas throughout the entire competition, which motivated me to achieve my goals and push myself.
Our team members kept on cheering each other up and encouraging each other, and the business mentors also provided us with constructive feedback on our work.
One of the biggest challenges was the time we had. We were only given 4 hours to complete all 3 sections of the competition, which is a very short amount of time.
We were seriously over budget. With a budget of only $750 many of our innovative ideas could not be taken into account. Therefore, we needed to net the majority to vote on which ideas were more essential and go on with it.
The most valuable lesson I gained was the fact that I was able to help people from overseas without having to actually travel there themselves, and it allowed me to learn the different ways I could help the environment and help other people who are less fortunate than I am.
Don't afraid to voice out your opinions and always be open-minded to other people's ideas and suggestions.
I feel like they should participate in these kind of events because it will allow them to learn new skills relating to leadership, and it also allow them to make new friends because there's a lot of schools who participate in these kind of events, so they'll be able to combine with other schools and build new relationships.
It also made me appreciate life more. Therefore, I really recommend all my friends and everyone to participate in this type of events because it will be beneficial for your life.
The most memorable moment for me was that towards the end of the competition, we were able to video call a representative from Canuck, and we were able to share our ideas with him, and we were able to see how big of an impact our solutions had on the people of Canuck, which really made the entire event worth it and more interesting.